In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPhone 16e camera professionally. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are a lot of camera features that you can use within your iPhone 16e, and you will be able to use them in conjunction with the new action button to use your camera to the best of its abilities. So while it is a very capable device, keep in mind that you should understand the limitations of the camera system, and when you are in accordance with all of this, you can use it professionally. So it is going to have a main camera of 48 megapixels. It is excellent for capturing detailed pictures, especially in good lighting. By default, it often shoots in 24 or 12 megapixels, utilizing pixel binning for improved low light performance, but you can choose to shoot at the full 48 megapixel resolution. Another thing to note is the new action button. This action button is going to be integrated across various different applications, including the camera app, and it can often help you utilize functions related to that app. So if you go into the settings and you choose the action button option, you will be able to customize what this button does. Make sure that you select camera if you want to attribute the camera to this button. It can help you open the camera and then use specific gestures while inside of the camera app. If you go inside of the camera settings, you can also customize the behavior under camera control. You can make it so it opens up the camera by doing a single or double click. Now, inside of the camera app itself, whenever you press this button, so a light press, it opens up controls like zoom. You can also see other options like exposure or depth of field, and it will also lock the focus and exposure for reframing shots without losing the focus on your current frame. By doing a double light press, it will bring up the camera menu so you can choose the options individually. Once you have an option selected like zoom or exposure, you can then swipe your finger across the button. By swiping it across the button, you will be able to increase or decrease that particular parameter. So for example, the zoom level. So this button essentially functions as a physical mechanical button that changes whatever option is selected through the menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to use iPhone 16e camera professionally. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.